This is going up the island for the cabin. That actually was very easy. This fit just perfectly through the door. We were able to get the truck all the way up to the top, which is pretty rare for winter. There it is.
Oh, I didn't remember it being like that.
Yeah, I didn't either, but I like it. You don't like it?
Well, it's really hard for me to tell here.
Uh-huh.
You know, the wood looks pretty. I can't tell. The wood looks pretty orange, but maybe it doesn't in real life.
So the light fixture that we got didn't come with all of the pieces, unfortunately. Both of them came missing the same pieces. So I went to Lowe's and picked up a bunch of extra hardware, and I think we'll be able to make it work.
We took a Saturday. I shouldn't say took a Saturday off. My mom has the girls, and we are going to hang our new chandeliers, which I could not be more excited about. Shorter. Got it, honey? That looks good. It just makes it look like so much more intimate in here. Like brings the light down. I'm really obsessed. Are you obsessed?
I'm so freaking obsessed.
Oh, I just love it. The dark green room. First of all, can I just talk quickly about naming rooms? I think we want to name the dark green room the forest room, and this will be the lake room, and then the upstairs room will be the mountains room, forest or woods. I don't know, because those are kind of like the three things that surround our cabin: the forest, the lake, and the mountains. So that room already feels kind of like foresty, and so that's going to be the forest room. It's the only room that doesn't have natural light. The window leads to a window well that has like a hinged steel door on it, so you can get out in emergencies, but the window just provides zero light, no fresh air. It's just there for emergencies. Curtains kind of frame a window. We're not trying to frame anything outside the window, and so we were trying to think of how to cover the window in a way that is still accessible but adds interest to the room. We don't want it to be the room that has no views, because right now that's what it is. And so we got this great vintage rug from eSale Rugs, and we are gonna hang that over the window and see how it goes. soups cabinet. Ugh, I want to put this like everywhere. Definitely feels brighter in here. Yeah, I don't want to like the rug is really the art piece.
What are we doing?
I'm eating peanut butter M&Ms. What are you doing? Our cabinet launch is mere weeks away. So we are finishing up our cabinets today, trimming them out, adding the side panels, and it's gonna look great. So that's where the range hood has to hook up. So that's his.
I mean, not really. Like, it's just a wire that comes down from here, so I can poke a hole wherever we want.
Okay. It would be cool. So if it's 30 inches wide, what's 30 inches down? What does that measure?
That measures to right there. That's really low. It's too low. I think ours at home is pretty close to that high up, but could be wrong. 25 is right there.
I like 25, I think. The only problem is we definitely have to put the shelf, if we're doing a shelf. We don't even really have to do a shelf because we're gonna have all that extra storage in the island now. So let's not.
That final answer, because it is a lot harder to do the shelves after the fact.
I know. Yeah, I say no shelf because I could always hang a cute little piece of art with like a command hook. You know? Am I gonna tile the hood? Maybe.
Well, you're not going to. But I might.
I might.